Hey, so you can come to voice campaign list and add a voicemail campaign here. You can get it a title, assign phone number. So you can assign this one, and the days, uh, dates to dial at a time, and the status, assign agent, and we have two agents here. You can also add an agent from here. So you put a phone number here, status, and the agent name. Also, if we go to schedule. So if you do not want to schedule in future, you just send it now. And as you need to set time zone, start date, end date, broadcast time, or and end time. And then we need to set the campaign, IVR campaign, and here. And you can also have option to add a text or MP3 file. So you can add a text here, and if you want to have the MP3 file, you can upload from here. And for each press key, you can do the following function. For example, on press 1, forward to agent, and then you can select agent and assign the deal status here. And forward to non-agent, then you just simply need to enter the mobile phone number and the deal status. And if you want to have interested, assign agent, and not interested, then you can select a voice template and set the deal status. And do not call repeat menu. So we'll repeat this for the IVR menu. The next thing is whenever you want to fetch data from Google Sheet, you just need to select from import from Google Sheet, and here you can give the file name. Once you leave the field, if I click outside the field, it will validate, check the data. If that's valid, it will give you a success message. Otherwise, it will throw an error. Once you click that, then you can assign a voice template here. So we have created one for you with the demo template, and you can also add any new template from here. So this can be an audio or a text format. And you can, for text format, you can also insert the IDs and all these. These are the tokens that will be replaced with the actual lead detail, either it's a first name, last name, email, or a title or their name. And all these things available in this page. You can also customize the lead custom fields in the lead section. That will I will walk you through that later. And once you save that campaign, every time a new lead appended in the Google XLS file, Google Sheet, the campaign status will create that lead into this IVR and start dialing it. So after the successful completion of the lead status, the lead is already pushed to GoHighLevel. In that way, all the credential and all the updated report will be pushed to GoHighLevel.